All right, let's try this one.
Yes, I am.
There's too much
Wow,
air.
that's cool. Very cool. And this is. I'm so free, and I mean, yeah, just so free. Just burn it a little bit more. Oh my gosh.
We'll see.
He's living it.
We'll see, Gordo.
I'll do it. We're going to do this one next. Okay, probably one more will do it. And this is a review, and this is...
Yeah, this video is taking forever.
What the heck? What's wrong?
I don't know.
Is that
It's too much.
worm?
Yeah, but it's too much wind.
This is my going room. This is my going. It's throwing it! Oh my gosh, it's throwing it! Oh my gosh, it's throwing a snake.
Oh wow.
Actually, it's turning into worms. It's turning into worms.
Yeah, it looks real on the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
I want to see. I can't. Let's do closer.
It's just gonna look weird.
Oh my gosh, I can see in perfect vision. Oh my gosh. I can't blow it. Wow, that actually looks kind of like poo. Look. Oh my gosh. That is. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
The wind took it.
The one that's taking it. Hey, what's up?
That was cool, huh?
Oh,
Did you guys like that?
yeah, but there's actually more, but the wind blew it away.